Alrighty, the little cookies I was excited to try, the Asahi cream Genmai brand, sorry, good lord, matcha cream, matcha caramel. I cannot speak today. Take two. Asahi cream Genmai brand matcha caramel low calorie biscuit. Little matcha cookies, matcha and caramel cookies. And like my hiragana is like pretty bad, but I correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure this says oatmeal because I recognize this as me. So I don't know, just a little celebratory moment for me, I guess, for kind of knowing my outfit, I guess, my hiragana. But anyway, back to cookies. They are like individually wrapped. You get like 3 pieces in here. It's described as, uh, how to describe it as? It's a little healthy snack, of course. Nice balance of matcha green tea and rich caramel. Yep, all 3. Nice little tiny individually wrapped biscuit. You get 3 of them. And I feel like I should have gotten more because I would freaking devour these. And they're only 80 calories, so you know, good for you little calorie counters out there. Telephone? Lord, okay. And it looks just like the photo. Let me see. Yeah, it kind of smells like the matcha. And goodness gracious. Let's. Whoa. Very crumbly, but you got the little matcha cream in there and little biscuits. It does smell sweet. Oh, guys, like very crumbly. I already got like crumbs in my hand and on my desk. But yeah, you can kind of smell the healthy biscuit on this. So yeah, I can guarantee all 3 of these are gonna be gone by tonight. So, woo, go ahead and try these out and see how well I like them. Okay, let's try the little matcha caramel cookies. I know it's like a matcha, like cookie top, and the cream's kind of like caramel cream, I believe. But yeah, you like smell the matcha right off the bat. Good lord, it's great. It's like very good lord. It's falling all over. Like very soft cookie and a very strong taste of matcha. Like that's like strong matcha. As for caramel, oh yeah, like this thing probably like crumbles and melts in your mouth. But yeah, like the cream, there's like a nice sweet caramel cream to it. It's so crumbly. It's like almost annoying, but I can deal with it. So it's like it's it's like just so soft. It's full of matcha. By itself, like not as sweet. With the little cream in the center. Yeah, I should buy like 2 of these because yeah, they're gonna be gone by the night. And I'm gonna be off the freaking walls with caffeine. So that's a good thing. But yeah, they're actually pretty good. Only 80 calories. I mean, not everybody's like a matcha lover, but I'm sure you can find something that'll suit your needs. I'm gonna go finish this cookie and clean up this mess. Feels like very sweet, not too sweet. A little bit of matcha. Love those bars. Like a nice caramel flavor. Yeah, I'd buy these again. Like, that's just me. I love matcha, but I would buy these again. Because I'm being so crumbly. One downside, but other than that, I love them. They're good. I'll also link it in case you want to try it for yourself. But yeah, not bad. Caramel flavor. I think milk, it goes so well with matcha. Like, almost saying it goes well with matcha. Yeah, totally. I'm buying more of these. They're pretty good. That's just me. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'll stay on this video. So weird.